What's going on, everyone? Today we are in Club Afterlife in the beautiful Night City from the hot new video game Cyberpunk 2077. One of my favorite things about this game, there's a lot of bars, there's a lot of clubs, there's cocktails, there's beers, there's bottles of absinthe laying everywhere. It's a great game for a nerdy bartender like myself. Today we are actually going to make the Johnny Silverhand Cocktail from the video game. I'm very excited about it. It's very tasty. I've had a few myself on stream. Speaking of streams, I stream on Twitch at imbibing every Sunday. Come hang out with me. Let's talk cocktails. Let's talk beers. Whatever you want to talk about. A link in the description below. Without further ado, grab your bar tools. It's time to mix it up. So before we get started, we need to actually know what is a Johnny Silverhand's cocktail. Let's find out.
You order 2 tequila old fashions with a splash of cerveza and a chili garnish.
Alright, so as we can see, it is a tequila old fashioned splashed with a little bit of a cerveza, a Mexican lager of some type, and a chili garnish. So let's make it how I would make it. So to start off, we're going to use 2 ounces of Termana tequila. This is Dwayne The Rock Johnson's tequila, actually very good product. Works really well in cocktails. I'm using the Reposado. I like Reposado tequilas for cocktails, in particular old fashions. They've aged a little bit in some barrels. They have that barrel character, a little bit of oakiness. Really good tequila, affordable, perfect for cocktails. So 2 ounces. Then we are going to add Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. We're going to do a half an ounce. So this is going to give our chili component. This adds some nice smoky flavors. That chipotle character comes through really nicely. It's also a little on the sweet side, but it's not sweet enough, and it doesn't have the body that I like. So we're actually going to add a quarter teaspoon of agave nectar. I'm just using straight out of the bottle. This is agave in the raw. Bam, quarter teaspoon, done. Lastly, for old fashioned, right, we need to have some sort of bitter component. We're using Bitterman's Mole bitters. So this is also going to play into that ancho chili liqueur. It's going to bring out some nice smoky characters to it. It's going to have some chocolate notes to it. Works really well on any kind of tequila old fashioned. So that's it. We're going to stir this up on ice. Done. Give this a few stirs. Now remember, old fashioned, this one in particular, we're going to top this off with beer. So we don't need to chill it and dilute it a ton. We just need to get it mixed in. A little bit of a chill. That beer is icy cold. That should probably be good. Just a quick little mix around. Nothing crazy. Got our rock spats here with a beautiful clear ice cube in it. Go ahead and strain this off. There you have it. Now for me, I am going to top this off with Stone's Bueno Vesa salt and lime lager. I think the salt in this is actually going to really bump up some of these flavors and kind of highlight some of the notes that I want in the tequila. So just a splash, probably good enough. Lastly, no chili garnish. We already have the chili in there. We're going to just do a little bit of an orange express, little rub, little rub. There you have it. That is my version of a Johnny Silverhand cocktail. Cheers.